FLATE, the Florida Advanced Technological Education Center, is leading the charge to build tomorrow's workforce. By partnering with state and community colleges across Florida, FLATE is creating a powerful platform to develop the high-skilled, high-performance talent that the industry demands. To answer this skills gap, FLATE has launched a statewide engineering technology advisory board to bring industry leaders together with community college educators to solve some of the biggest challenges we have seen this century.
Hi, I'm Dean Bartles, CEO of the Manufacturing Technology Deployment Group based in Clearwater, Florida. So manufacturing is desperate to find ways to still be able to increase their efficiencies and increase their output with fewer workers simply because there aren't enough workers available. It's really interesting. I believe it's the first one in the country that the state of Florida has this statewide Industry Advisory Board for Engineering Technology programs. I believe is going to have a significant impact. Now you have the collective wisdom of various industry representatives across various disciplines to be able to provide the input that the community colleges desperately need to make sure they tailor their curriculum to fill this desperate void that we have. So we've got to have this awareness campaign across the state to make sure that people are aware that these programs that the community colleges are offering are exactly what's needed for the workforce that's so desperately needed.
No matter the challenges we face, we turn those challenges into real-world classroom solutions, solving problems and preparing our next generation of manufacturing leaders for success in this high-tech world. If you're a manufacturing leader and want to join this growing group of innovators and problem solvers, you can contact your local state or community college engineering technology program and scan the QR code or click the link below to get started. Thank you for joining us today.